Well, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, traders from across the globe. Let me get into this. It is Thursday night for trading on Friday. In last night's video, I put this bond chart in front of you and I said 30-year T-bonds are in play and they're going to go up. So we went long, and this is a testament to the power of protective stops. So, it makes sense because if you look, you got this average that topped the market out up here, finally gets above it, settles above it, and creates a channel. And the OMNI gets bullish, and I want to get long, so our entry is right here. Let me show it to you. So let me just blow this up. So our entry in bonds for trading on Thursday, as you can see, was right here at this arrow. So we were buying right at the line, and it also will coincide with where the black average comes in. So I am going to now, and of course we put a stop in, a very sensible stop, not far under it, because even though we know it's going up today, we don't know anything, right? So our stop goes in first. Stops are here to protect you, because if you do not have a protective stop and the market goes against you and it goes through that stop level of yours and keeps going, well, then you lose way more than you had planned, right? And we don't want that ever. So we want to put our stops in first. And let me show you. I'm going to update today's bar. This one's tonight. This is what happened. We got long where we wanted to. Our stop was here. Got long, stopped out, not so bad, and look at the spiral that happened after the protective stop. Protective stops are your best friends. This is what keeps you alive in this business. Imagine if we did not have this stop and we just rode this all the way down. So it turned out to be a small loss, very manageable, and on to the next trade in T-bonds. Of course, we know what happened. There was a bad T-bond auction today. Powell came out and spoke, but we're trading technical. None of that matters. The market didn't go up, it cracked, but we had a protective stop, and we lived to fight another day. So I wanted to make sure that you always put your stops in first, because this dropped so fast, you would have had no chance to react. You would have just watched your account get hammered. So put those stops in, put them in first. Let's go take a look at some other markets. So traders, for Thursday night, this video is coming at you for trading Friday. It's video 2666, and I just showed you something, right? I showed you the power of these markets and how risky they can be. Never trade without stops. Put your stops in first. You've just seen a great example of why one would do that. So what else do we have going on? E-mini S&P. Now the E-mini S&P was in a wonderful F flag, got above this channel, got above the average, was looking great, and boom, look what happened today. Ouch, everything changes. We're back into the downward channel, right? This long downward channel, we're back in it. We fell out of the F flag, and we now are looking at the downside for trading on Friday in E-mini S&P, NASDAQ, Russell. In fact, my trade all week, I've been trying to just capture shorting the Russell, and damn it, we just keep missing it. I have to say, one of the worst weeks I've had trading in a long time. I keep getting I keep stumbling. I'm catching the bad trades and just missing the good ones, not getting in by a few ticks. But listen, this is what happens. This is called trading. We do this for a living. We do this every day, 5 days a week, really 6 days a week, because we trade on Sundays. You're going to have weeks like this, right? The OMNI's not known for trading this way, but every now and then it's going to have a rough week. I say we kick some ass on Friday, kids. Make sure you stay with me. So you've seen S&P back in the channel. NASDAQ looks the same, back in the channel. And I want to give you a little gift. Here's the gift. Tesla. Tesla looks terrible. It fell out of this channel. Well, I should say it fell out of what was a beautiful apex or a pennant flag. As it got towards the apex, it fell out. It fell through this long-term support line. Let me make this a little thicker for you. It fell through this long-term support line and broke underneath the 200 bar moving average. Your target next in Tesla is 192. Once it gets there, we'll assess it further. So I wanted to show that to you. Please be careful in the E-mini S&P. We're selling rallies. Put your stops in first. As you've seen, you must do that. and come to livewithoscar.com and hang out with me in my live chat room. I am there every day and night, and I will be there for you. In fact, I'm there right now. This is me filming that video, waving to you in a camera. I don't know if you can see that. Let me enlarge that a little. This is me in my trading room, and I'm filming this video right now, waving to you. And if you join my site, you can join me in this very same trading room where we can discuss markets, techniques. I can help you, and maybe you, in turn, can help me. Thank you for tuning in. Love you guys. Appreciate all your support and your comments. Make sure you're safe out there, and I will see you at livewithoscar.com. Remember, kids, stops are in. Emotions are out. Thank you so much for tuning in. Rock and roll, kids. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.